Solids and liquids are objects we see everywhere we go and in everything we see. Today we will learn a few things about solids and liquids. Text of my lesson. Matter and energy. The student knows that matter has physical properties, and those properties determine how it is described, classified, changed, and used. The student is expected to classify matter by physical properties including shape, relative mass, relative temperature, texture, flexibility, and whether the material is a solid or a liquid. Some essential vocabulary for the lesson is going to be physical changes. Changes the form of the substance but not its identity. State of matter. Physical property that describes whether something is a solid, liquid, or gas. And texture. Physical property that describes the feel of something. Solids. Solids keep their shape unless they are broken. They do not flow, and they cannot be compressed. Liquids. They do not keep their shape. They change the shape of the container they are in. They cannot be compressed, and they do flow. Here are some examples of solids: a tree, a hamburger, an apple, and a magnet. A few examples of liquids would be rain, coffee, lemonade, and an ocean. Gases would be a cloud, helium, and steam, and these we will learn about later in the year. Experiment time. Let's learn how solids can turn into liquids. We are going to melt an ice cube to turn it into water using heat. Now observe the experiment and write down your observations. Watch how, when heat is applied to the ice cubes, the cubes melt. This is a prime example of solids turning into liquids. As I said in the clip, this is a prime example of solids turning into liquids. There are many other examples and observations you can see in your everyday activities. Some examples are water turning into water vapor or liquid turning into an ice cube. Go out and see what other observations you can find.